Agricultural scientists and medical doctors are sharply divided over the Biotechnology and Biosafety Bill. The bill, which is due to be tabled on the floor of Parliament, is still before the Parliamentary Committee of Science and Technology. During a workshop on biotechnology and biosafety regulation in Uganda, participants to find out whether Uganda needs a law on biosafety and biotechnology, whether the proposed law should be titled National Biotechnology and Biosafety or the Genetically Modified Organism, and most importantly, whether Uganda is ready financially, morally, socially, and economically for GMOs. Whereas GMOs and their derivatives have proven to be of benefit, there are concerns. Those against them argue, basing on the effects of genetically modified foods on human health and well-being due to the risks of biotechnology. The National Biotechnology and Biosafety Bill 2012 was tabled before Parliament, providing for the safe development and modern use of biotechnology and also provide better mechanisms to regulate research, among others. However, due to its scientific nature, the bill has had to undergo lots of research and debate focused on the legal aspect.
Genetically modified crops will not be accepted in America or in Canada if it is coming from Uganda. They won't accept it. And so our only hope to crack those markets is to do what we're doing now, only to do it better. Irrigation. Let us farm throughout the year, not just twice a year or once a year when the rain comes. Let us have better farming methods that include organic fertilizers. We don't use a lot of fertilizers. Let us improve through hybrid the seeds that we plant on the ground.
The government has been faulted over the failure to coordinate the process and continuously ignoring the bill. Also, calls have been made to thoroughly investigate multinational corporations which seem to be at the forefront of promoting GMOs, and appeals to government to increase funding to local research.
The responsibility of ensuring that our researchers are funded locally. If they're funded locally, then they will promote our traditional crops and seeds. But if they're sponsored from outside, then they will now be able to promote the promoters or the funders who will be funding their research. According to Honorable Matia Kaseja, the Minister of Finance and Economic Planning, and also the Chief Architect of the bill, if well regulated, there is no need for skepticism.
We shouldn't run away from biotechnology as a science because it has got its positive side. But also, as we agreed, it can have its negative side. That's why we are saying the law should also have safety measures to prevent the bad side. I hope I'm clear on this one.
It is therefore basing on that fact that stakeholders have raised concern for a biosafety law in order to regulate the biosafety actors. Edwin Homza, reporting for Channel 44 Television, Kampala.